All right. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into another stream. Today I'm joined by Mr. Hazed. If you're new to these streams, here's what we do here. We take a look at NQ and the price action that we had on it, and then we see how the outline played out that we outlined this morning on our stream. We also take a look at some crypto, see what crypto's doing, where we can go on it. Obviously, it's fucking taking a shitter right now. Everything. Like we said, by the way, get the fucking dick. Straight up mushroom stamped on these fucking things.
Dailies just don't look great.
Yeah, nothing looks fucking great. And we also take a look at some stonks, which I do have one that was brought to my attention, which could be pretty good here coming up, and we'll cover that later. But other than that, let's dive right into it. Let me grab a glug of water, and we'll go straight into it. If you guys have any questions at any point, feel free to tag us in the chat. Tell us what we got. Tell us if you want us to look at any stonks or anything like that, any crypto. And we'll be sure to take a look for you. So, here's what we had on NQ this morning. If you tuned into the stream, we were outlining these levels, and everything was mentioned in the live stream, and we also mentioned it inside our trading group at the Paper Traders. This is what we were looking at this morning. This was this morning's price action. This was the outline that was posted, just so that you guys know it's not fucking hindsight. There's that, and this is how it played out. So, initially this morning, going into it, we were looking at the potential sweep of this previous daily high and then a reversal. So it's a very similar model that they played yesterday, which you can see from this overnight session, right? We grinded up, swept the previous daily high, which was right there, and just continued to the downside. Same thing over here. We also mentioned the 786 level right there. That was of the weekly range. So 25, 129.50. We were looking at that level as a potential rejection point, which you can see how the bodies are holding below it, right? Even the wicks are holding below it. No continuation through that level, which was telling us, okay, we are more than likely to continue to the downside. Here on the 5-minute, we took some nice shorts, some nice longs over here as well. So initial sweep of that previous daily high, we took some shorts down to these levels because we were still looking for them, right? We outlined these levels to the bottom, which we got after that initial sweep. But you can see how we moved right there, right? And this is, once again, something that I will keep bringing it up because it keeps happening. You see how the close of the body right here is holding the open of this body right there, right? This body is not displacing through that closing level. That gives us a solid reversal almost every single time I've seen it. You can look even right there. There you can see the closing price of this body is holding the opening price of this one. What do we get? We get a reversal candle. Same thing right there, right? You get the closing price of this body holding the open of that body. We get a reversal to the downside. Similar thing right there. Just something that you guys should take a look at and really backtest it, learn it, look for it. It plays out every fucking time, especially with those higher liquidity sweep levels. And same thing on the hourly, right? Right there, you can see the body holding, right? So that gives us no displacement to the upside. Even if we're rejecting that level, we have swept that level. Previous daily high. Nothing on the higher time frame. Lower time frame came back down, retested this level that did not show support. We continued to the downside and got a solid fucking outside day. There we go. Going into tomorrow. Let me share my screen with Mr. Hayes too. Fuck. He's gonna yell at me. Gonna fucking yell at me.
So freaking pissed.
Please don't hit me. Going into tomorrow, I'm really gonna be watching that 24/72650 level. Oh shit. I got a dog now. This is Hayes Squant. Send it back. That's his Squant. But I'm gonna be watching that 24/726 level. If we break down below it, there's a very likely chance that we do not hold this 24/524 and break down and probably take out that. If this sweeps and doesn't hold, there's a good chance we're gonna come down and capture that liquidity right there. So this is if This is if and only if we break that level right there. Previous daily high, retest, maybe some bullshittery around there, and then continuation into that. Something like that. That's your hourly chart outline. Doesn't have to happen, but this is just something that I would look for, just in case, right? We gave you guys ifs, everything that needs to happen in order for this to play out. It's not going to be a straight down move. We still need to come down, retest, and prove that these levels are actually breaking as support and giving us that downside movement. On that, that's all I got on NQ for today. I'll do a mean write-up inside the paper trader, so if you guys are interested in learning more, make sure to check out www.papertraders.io, or if you're interested in getting these setups in the morning before the market opens, also check out www.papertraders.io, or you can just tune into the fucking streams. We outline levels on there too. Give you guys pretty much everything except the sauce. I'll give you some sauce on there.
Give that sauce.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, it's like you get more in-depth sauce. You get extra sauce.
A hotter sauce.
A hotter sauce, yeah. Inside of Discord, but what?
I'm gonna throw the pink dog every time you're not streaming.
Oh, okay, that works. See how many times you notice. Crypto looks like ass. Honestly, don't even Bitcoin breaking down. You can see that fucking this pump was absolutely nothing. So break off this level is gonna be fucking terrible, or good honestly for the pullback, because we are gonna see some nice downside. So we're gonna be looking at a deeper range OTE. Same thing with ETH. ETH is still kind of holding this area, but you know, given how far we have retraced so far, there's not a very likely opportunity that it will continue to the upside. So something to note in terms of other names. Let's see what's Zerebro, just your usual Dodo. Honestly, I don't even. There's nothing that is like great. You know, yeah, maybe some things look good or okay, but there's nothing great. Like API 3, yeah, you could try something, right? But obviously, this kind of environment is a trade small or not at all kind of environment. If you want to put on some risk, put on a few dollars and, you know, maybe put your stop below that, or if you even more comfortable below that, so that your risk to reward ratio is a little bit better. It just depends on how high risk you want to be. Let's take a look at... This might be a short and sweet stream, unless we have some really good fucking names. But we're nearing the end of the week. This is some of the things that we outlined here on AMAT, ANF, or them. So CRM, I think, was one of those things that we took a look at. We're saying, okay, we need to buff that 200 for continuation. DG was definitely one of them. You can see that sweep of the liquidity right there. I think we talked about it on October 7th. I should take a look back at those streams. Let me write down some of this shit so that I can pull some fucking footage for these things.
There's so much now. So much.
Huh?
There's so much shit we call out on streams. Not even
Yeah.
lately.
Yeah, it's fucking ridiculous. There's JD, Mr. Hayes was outlining it. Love, Masters retracing Octa. Let's see, On. I know I kept talking about On for the longest fucking time. I know we talked about it too. October 10th. Oct 10 for On. October 8th. This one was for, which one was I just talking about? DG. What else we got? RLC kind of Rivian. I still wanted to continue to the upside, but if it doesn't want to do that, that's okay. I'm in commons anyway, so if I can just buy a little lower. But I still think that company is good, heading in the good direction. AMT, I think we talked about this one too, right there. Here's my favorite, CMG. This is going to be this one right here. The way we held this fair value gap, it is just absolutely fucking phenomenal. I know I posted this one on Twitter as well. How do you switch to a different save chart in the new layout? I'm stuck. Last use on PC. How do you switch to a different save chart in new layout?
Oh, I think he means like your tabs on the top.
Oh, yeah. So you can't see. I have tabs on the top.
Yeah, I can see them. Or no, I'm in Discord.
No, you're in Discord. But there's tabs on the top here. I'll take a screenshot of what it looks like. There you go. So I got tabs on the top, right? These guys right there. That's how I'm switching between all the different layouts. So these layouts, if you press the little plus button, they're all right here. These are all of my layouts, GG. You can create a new layout, and that's where I have all my. So I have one for just NQ. Literally, that's the only thing I look at on there. If somebody tells me look at ES, I create a new tab and open up ES on there. I don't put anything else on this NQ chart. Commons, obviously this one right there that we're looking at, these screeners at these stocks. Crypto, obviously this one. Futures, MES, that's this one. Macro testing, this is where I do a lot of my back testing. I'll just come in here and just take a look at what NQ has been doing for the past few years. I'll go on a 5-minute, 15-minute, hourly, and just sit there, look at 3 days in a row, see what I can come up with, and just kind of determine from there what else we got here. Paper traders, this is where I'll look at US 100 on this one, or anything else, or like ES, right? So these levels that we've outlined right here, you can see how we retested these levels, and now we're looking at that quarterly flip possibly to back to the downside. And what else do I have here? Swings. This is just random charts. Could probably delete that one, but that's what I'm working with. GG, if that makes sense. If you're in here. Hope that helped. You can also type in the chat. Let us know if that made sense.
God, HUM looks so good. Oh, this song's such a...
Which one was I looking at? CMG, that's what I wanted to look at. Chipotle Mexican Grill. CMG. Solid displacement through.
God, DE with the fucking outside date that I have.
FG. DE, yeah, DE look
looks
fucking
so good.
beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Look at the fucking outline. Oh my goodness.
Dude, outside day through that inversion too. Like that has meaning for me.
Oh my god. Monthly or
Like
weekly.
they tried to take it lower, swept previous day low, could not displace lower, reversed back through a bearish imbalance. Makes me feel like bears are fucked on this one.
Yep.
Reclaim 476.34, and this shit is fucking gone.
Yeah, DE looks
likes to rip.
fucking... Dude, yeah, this one I like a lot.
Who doesn't love fucking John Deere?
Yeah, exactly. And I feel like seasonality, hear me out. We're coming into fucking winter season. Just a thought there. Who sells tractors? John Deere. Who sells snowplows? John fucking Deere.
Yep, loading up for next farm year.
Yep, exactly. DE Del. What's another good one? DLTR. We outlined this one too with the sweep right there. That was a while ago. Doku Duck. Elf, ESPN. Also, we got Ford. Nice SFP right there. We talked about it yesterday. Solid continuation out of that. UPS. Also another one that we were looking at with this right there. And to see solid continuation above that. Let me see. Where did I post UPS? I thought I posted UPS somewhere.
Did I not post DE last night? Maybe I just wouldn't shut the fuck out on the stream about it.
Possible. Target looks pretty good too. Let's see. Target. What was another? Wix was another one. This is not holding that well. So There's a possibility of retracing just a little bit lower. Monthly, the biggest thing, we don't want that monthly to close way below. We want that body to hold right here, right? Like we talked about. So the opening of this candle still needs to hold right there for us to continue to the upside on ups. There's Z that Mr. Hayes kept on talking about last night. Z, ZM, ZS, and this is here's the company that I want to bring to everybody's attention. That was brought to me by a person who shall not be named. MBLY, Mobile Global. They do like anything that has to do with self-driving or like autopilot, which, yeah, this one could go $14 for a stock that is in tech in this day and age. Honestly, not a bad price. Monthly still looking like we're wedging out over here. So this could be a good wedge break kind of play if everybody's with it. You know?
Yep, I like that.
Yeah, so we had a few decent SFPs and we've gone from there. Right now we're just kind of battling this 200, so I just want to see if we can break it and continue to the upside on it. That's what I'm looking on that one. Let's see what else we got. Walmart.
Yes.
Walmart breaking out, retesting this breakout level, so I'm liking that. Yeah, oops.
Dude, beautiful daily inversion. If we can get the CISD from here, I think that bottom is in. Really like the bottom structure, though.
Yeah, this could be. And UPS has been fucking
long.
grinding the fuck down. We're just waiting for that OpenAI fucking.
For real, auto shipping.
Yeah, no, literally.
This shit could tear through, like, where your thing is to the left. Like, that group of fucking... No, down to the right,
this?
where those two... Left a little bit. Like, that whole group of lows. Where the two SFPs are.
Oh, this?
Like, there's like 1, 2... All those highs up there.
Yeah.
There's so many fucking sets of highs.
Yeah, UPS at least to one fucking... I mean, the monthly itself. Look at the monthly. And
the only thing worrying me is how close we're getting to the end of the year.
Yeah.
And how I'd want the next year to almost open and sweep.
Yep. Yeah, next 3 month could really fucking go.
Yeah, and if they stay just like right here and open next year and wick through where we're at right now and then reverse, like, probably generational buying opportunity for UPS.
Yeah. I mean, even for fucking their sorting facilities, dude, they can use AI so much more for like a much better, more efficient fucking structure. There's Texan if you guys want a fucking Texas Instruments phone too. Go buy it up. Tism.
Low looks good.
Low, dude. This outline was fucking insane. Forgot what time frame where I posted this. You know,
this could V-shape pretty hard.
Yeah. Here's what we had on low. This was outlined inside the Discord on 10.5. This is where we're at now. I'll even give you guys the weekly chart. There's that weekly chart. There's that. There's that. So if you guys not with us yet, come hang out with us. Share the stream. Tell your peeps we say what's up, especially your mom. Let's see. That's about all I got, honestly.
Yeah, short and sweet.
Yeah, short and sweet. There's nothing.
So many good names. I don't know what else we can give. I mean, for this week on stocks, like, I wouldn't take any weeklies on anything. Like, we outlined a lot of stuff beginning of this week. It all moved already. Some of these names literally moved fucking $30 this week already.
Yep.
It's time to chill out, reset, prep over the weekend, get ready for next week.
Yep. Yeah, so we'll come back on Sunday with a nice little weekly overview and weekly prep stream. So if you guys come ready with some questions, we'll get you guys in here. Custom indicator, custom bots.
One more thing. Nike kind of doing what I want. It looks like we could get like one more down move to sweep this weird low it put in on the daily.
Oh, yeah. Yep. I like this. I mean, we still have a solid fair value gap on this weekly, so we can come down realistically and fill it all the way and then go from there, which would give us a deeper, like a 786 OTE even.
Yeah, peep daily. I just wanted to sweep the low it put in.
Oh, yeah.
Just sweep, reverse, make this down, remove the CISD.
Yep. Or I guess more accurately, this would be a gap right there. But yeah, 786 tap would be solid on Nike.
Yep.
So it would also be good. But yeah, if you guys are new here, make sure you give it a like, give it a share. Go check us out on our website, www.papertraders.io. And there you can see what we're all about and all the tools that we do offer to everybody that's inside the community. On there, you're also able to see any past streams that we've done and see our track record. Check out the Twitter at the Paper Traders. There's a lot of good information on there that gets posted, a lot of updates of what's happening inside the community or anything that we've shared inside Discord that we do not share through our personals that goes on there. Go check that out. Make sure you follow at Hayes Beats as well. Phenomenal guy, phenomenal trader. You guys can see for yourselves on his Twitter page. Give him like 3,000 followers for him. We'll do a lifetime Paper Traders giveaway, lifetime membership giveaway. 500 viewers on these streams. We are going to do a merchandise giveaway. So make sure you tell your mom about us. She'll get a comfy hoodie from you. You'll be a great son or daughter. What else we got? 250 viewers. You'll see kittens and puppies on here on these streams. They'll be on my desk walking around, and you guys will be able to see them. We'll do a top-down view as well. You guys can see the chaos that ensues. Yeah. There's a puppy right there. So give us a like, give us a share. I mean, obviously we don't ask for anything with these, just a simple like and a share. If you want to check us out and show us support through the community, more than welcome to. But on that, these streams, we provide enough information for you to determine what is good and what's not good. And also drop some hints. There's McDonald's too. McDonald's, I've been talking about this one for fucking months. Not months, but weeks. No, I've outlined this one a few fucking times. Consolidation. There we go. Donald Trump loves McDonald's. 2,000 followers for me whenever I hit that number. We're going to, I'm going to quit my job. I'll call them in a Trump voice and say, Eddie's quitting. 3,000 followers, I'll stop talking about your mom. So you guys know the rules. Mr. Hayes, you got anything for us? For tonight?
Got a good week. Just chill. Prep over the weekend. Get it next week, like I said before.
Yeah. Tune into the stream on Sunday. We'll be here tomorrow outlining the price action. What happened? Probably going to be a short and sweet stream. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I love you. Appreciate every single one of you. I'll try to do a morning stream tomorrow, but I have early morning obligations at my good old job. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning in. Peace out.